Alright guys, Brian with Beast Ride here. Today we're going to review the Drano Max Gel Drain Cleaner. It does say clears total blockages guaranteed, or it's free, so we'll see. So the Max Gel, it says it takes care of hair clogs, standing water, slow drains, and pre-buildup. So what you do, you can see here it says pour 1/2 bottle slowly into drain. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, and then flush drain with hot water. Repeat if necessary. Alright, so we'll put some water in here, and I'll kind of just show you, this drain's not totally blocked or anything. It's just over the last few weeks it's been kind of getting a lot slower. As you can see, it's just real slow going down. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put half this bottle down there. It says it's good for metal and plastic pipes, so alright, I feel that's at least half, maybe a little bit more than half of the bottle. Alright, so we'll come back in about, it says 15 to 30. We'll come back in about 25 minutes. Alright, so we're back. It's been a little over 30 minutes, about 35 minutes. Alright, we went ahead and did a sink full. It was still a little bit slow, so let's go ahead and concentrate, maybe work on the hot water here.
I just used the cold water as it was building to hot. If you were to go ahead and get like maybe some like boiling water, let it sit for a minute and then bring it in, it'd probably work faster. So I might recommend trying that too.
It's a little bit quicker. Still building up some, but not as slow, I don't think. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of this, come back in another 20 to 30 minutes and just see if that does anything. Alright, so that's the full container. Let's see what it does. Alright, so we'll go ahead and try one more time here with the hot water, see what we get.
Wait about 30 minutes before I started the water so the Drano could do its job and dissolve the hair.
Alright, so it's looking a lot better. It's not clogging up. It was just a partial blockage. I'm assuming it was like hair, things like that, but I did use the whole bottle, and it's only been like 15 minutes the second time, but it's going down just fine now. So, you know, using the whole bottle, I would say it's a success here, and I would definitely recommend that. So, let's see. Yep, looks pretty good. Definitely would recommend.